Hello, I'm Yerlan,
I'm Ruslan.
and now we are going to show you our mousetrap car. So this is our mousetrap car. It's almost ready. We have some discs. They are made up. They are insulated by insulating tape to make some friction between the surface and these wheels. Also, we have mousetrap here and our some metal piece. Also, we have some insulating tape here to hold our mousetrap on this how to say, on this piece of wood. So now we are going to make this hook here. Put this hook here, and we have this our string to rotate this wheel. So I think that's all.